Hello, my name is Cano. I am agronomy student, and today I come to talk to you about I work for place case Santa Marta. Score is Santa Marta, a magical corn in Colombia. My travel guide to Santa Marta. Location: Santa Marta located in Colombia's Caribe coast. What do you in Santa Marta? Visit the Tyrone Park, the Rodadero, the new camp of the Bay, the History Center, Mink, Agon, or the activity such as hiking and diving. Travel tips. You should not neglect to protect since the sun in the region can be strong. You have to stay location, Cuis and the Santa Marta public market. Superstation. It is said that if you touch the statue of Rodrigo de Batista in the Boyfriend's Park, you will have good luck. Where to go? The best time to visit Santa Marta is from December to March when the weather is warm and dry. Where is the style? Accommodations are varied from boutique hotels in the historic center to eco hotels in the outskirts. There are en both hostel and beach accommodation up to the suites al Buxe. What do you eat? Try a common rice in fries, fish, typical dish of the Caribbean region, and the public market. You will find a variety of braised fruits and delicious ceviches. What do you drink? Enjoy the coconut lemons and dry the Caribbean rum. Both drinks are refreshing and representative of local culture. Transportation. Common means of transportation include taxi, locate, bus, and motorcycle taxi. For long distance, you can rent a car or stay in intercity bus. Language, the main language is Spanish. However, in the tourist areas, it is possible to find people who speak English. Currency, the currency is the Colombian peso. Tipping is coming top 10 10 of uh, some place array include service, but an extra for a session service is always appreciable.